This is the tulip stitch. It's kind of a detached chain and fly stitch combined together. So how we do this is we start at the top point of our tulip here, and we act like we're making a detached chain or lazy daisy stitch. So we hold our thread towards the bottom of that loop, go back down in the same spot, and gently tug so we have this nice open loop on the front of our fabric here. Then we bring our needle up inside that loop and gently tug towards the loop there, so it's now flush with the fabric. And just like the detached chain lazy daisy stitch, we're going to make a straight stitch that goes around the outside edge of that loop. And for this one, I find it's helpful to make it just a smidge longer than you normally would for your regular detached chain lazy daisy stitch. All right, so we have our inside loop. Now we're going to add these kind of like prongs out on the outside. So how we do that is we just come up on the right, then slide our needle underneath that little straight stitch at the top of our lazy daisy there, pull that on through, and then we go back down on the other side, like so. Then we repeat. Come up on the other side, slide our needle underneath that straight stitch there, pull that through, and then go back down on the other side, like so. And that is our tulip stitch. You can see with this one in the middle, I actually used two different colors and filled in the center of my tulip. So you could do that by making the detached chain lazy daisy in the center there, making your straight stitch at the end, and then just doing one of the flies here. And then I knotted that thread off, grabbed another color, did that other fly, and then a straight stitch in the center. So you could play around with colors for this tulip stitch.